Hi, thanks for joining us here in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Scott Truesdale, and we're about to take a look at the 2018 400 Sea Ray Sundancer. Please come aboard. You see here we have a gourmet station with electric grill and sink. We're boarding on an extended swim platform. Moving forward, we have a nice cockpit layout, L-shaped lounge with a solid teak table. We have an electric awning which retracts and extends about 9 feet out or so for protection from sun or rain. Moving forward into the salon, you'll notice a very innovative idea that Sea Ray had by opening up all the sliding doors in order to create a nice social flow from the interior to the exterior. Galley is midship, solid surface countertop. See to starboard, our helm, dual hybrid touch screens. This is a Cummins powered boat with joystick handling for ease of docking. Moving down forward, to our left is our guest head with separate shower stall. To starboard, we have our VIP guest room with an innovative design of having separate twin beds that can also be slid together in order to make a queen size bed. Moving forward, we have our master stateroom with its in-suite head, again, separate shower stall. And entertainment center. Should you have any questions or like to contact me, please give us a call here in Brick. My name is Scott Truesdale. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you.